Hey everyone, welcome back to Motor Minded. The name that made muscle car history is roaring into 2026, and no, Dodge didn't hold anything back. This is the 2026 Dodge Demon, a street-legal monster that's faster, meaner, and smarter than ever before. If you thought the original Demon was insane, buckle up, because this one takes things to a whole new level. Up front, the Demon means business. The wide, snarling grille is blacked out for maximum aggression, flanked by redesigned LED headlights with a more sinister, smoked finish. Dodge has integrated sharper angles into the fascia, giving it a more aerodynamic and modern edge without sacrificing its old-school muscle car soul. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's built with one thing in mind: performance without distraction. Let's start with the seats, because yes, they matter in a car this fast. You're looking at heavily bolstered, Alcantara-trimmed performance seats, stitched with contrast thread and embroidered with the Demon logo on the headrests. Tech-wise, Dodge didn't go overboard, but they didn't go cheap either. Front and center is the updated Uconnect 6 infotainment system with a crisp 12.3-inch performance display. This thing is fast, smooth, and race-focused. You've got access to all the essentials: navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, but the real magic happens when you dive into the performance pages. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in leather and Alcantara, with metal paddle shifters that feel tactile and aggressive, just like they should. Behind it? A fully digital 12-inch customizable instrument cluster that changes depending on your drive mode. Under the hood, what you're looking at is Dodge's updated 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8, now reworked for even more power and durability. In its base form, it pumps out a jaw-dropping 850 horsepower and 790 lb-ft of torque. That's thanks to a 3.0-liter supercharger spinning up to 14.5 psi of boost, paired with a high-flow intake system and dual-stage air-to-liquid intercoolers. The functional air grabber hood scoop works with side inlets to funnel cool air directly into the supercharger, helping the Demon breathe even better on the strip. Up front, the Demon means business. The wide, snarling grille is blacked out for maximum aggression, flanked by redesigned LED headlights with a more sinister, smoked finish. Dodge has integrated sharper angles into the fascia, giving it a more aerodynamic and modern edge without sacrificing its old-school muscle car soul. Thanks for watching.